Hello, my name is Gorio Maligaya, running for the position of second-year batch representative from the Department of Legal Management.
Now, John Carlo Pascual of 1AEC asks, what plans can you do for your batch that allegedly was early introduced to politics, affecting unity and camaraderie thereof?
Since I was the first-year batch representative before, nakita ko na yung mga problema namin and yung mga dapat namin gawin. So, ngayong year, naka-apekto yun siyempre sa mga plano ko. And my plan is to change what we have to change. Baguhin yung mga pagkakamali na gawa namin. I-modify yung mga dapat i-modify and gawin mas matibay yung batch namin. Dahil naniniwala ako na kung matibay yung batch namin, makaka-apekto to sa buong community, sa buong Santiago.
May gusto ka bang idagdag?
Masasabi ko lang po na kami ay nagpapasalamat dahil binigyan po kami ng opportunity para kami ay mag-iikot po sa
Sige po, salamat po.